Have you ever wanted to invest in the stock market, but felt overwhelmed by all the jargon, risks, and endless choices? Good news, there's a smarter, simpler way to start. It's called an ETF, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is and how to invest in one. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Think of it like a shopping basket. Instead of buying one fruit, say, just an apple, you're buying a whole basket with apples, oranges, bananas, and more. That basket is the ETF, and the fruits are individual stocks or assets. One purchase. Instant diversification. ETFs are collections of assets, like stocks, bonds, or commodities, that track an index or sector. For example, the S&P 500 ETF includes 500 of the biggest U.S. companies. They trade on stock exchanges just like regular stocks. You can buy and sell them throughout the day. There are thousands of ETFs out there. Some popular types include stock ETFs, like tech or energy sector funds, bond ETFs, for more stable, income-focused investing, thematic ETFs, focused on trends like clean energy or AI, international ETFs, giving exposure to global markets. Each one has a unique strategy and risk profile. Here's why ETFs are a go-to choice for many investors. Diversification. One ETF can include hundreds of assets. Low fees, cheaper than mutual funds thanks to passive management. Transparency. You can usually see exactly what's inside. Accessibility. You can start with just a few dollars on most platforms. They're efficient, affordable, and perfect for long-term investing. Getting started is easier than you think. 1. Open an account on a brokerage app like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Robinhood. Do your research. Use tools like Morningstar or ETF.com. Start small and think long-term. Consistency beats timing. 4. Consider strategies like dollar-cost averaging to reduce risk over time. Remember, you don't need to be a Wall Street expert to build wealth. ETFs are great, but not risk-free. Some ETFs are highly specialized and volatile. Always read the fund's prospectus, and don't chase hype or returns. Focus on fundamentals. If you stick to well-known, diversified ETFs, you're on the right track. Now you know what an ETF is, how it works, and how to start. ETFs are one of the easiest ways to dip your toes into investing without drowning in complexity. If this video helped, consider subscribing for more beginner-friendly finance breakdowns. See you in the next one, and happy investing.